What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a QR code in Canva PC. So first of all, what you want to do is to choose a design for your QR code. I'm going to go with the logo design for this tutorial. After you created a project and you choose your design for your QR code, all you have to do is to go to Apps tab, and here at search bar you're going to search for QR code. After you search, as you can see, the first option is QR code and we're going to click on it. Now what you want to do is to insert your URL for your QR code. I'm going to insert my YouTube channel. Then what you want to do after you paste your link, here you're going to click on generate code. Now as you can see, as simple as this, we generated a QR code. Mine is for my YouTube channel. So if you scan this QR code, it will redirect you to my YouTube channel. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.